Guess what time it is? It's Instant Pot time. Special Friday edition. And because I'm doing it on a Friday, I'm going to do something a little weird. I'm going to do a dessert in the Instant Pot. I'm going to make a key lime pie. So, I think most people don't really associate desserts with the Instant Pot, but it can do so many different things. And I'm not really into sweets or chocolate or stuff like that, but I love key lime pie. So I'm going to put together a recipe and show you how to do it super easy. So very minimal ingredients. We got some eggs, some limes of course, some graham cracker crumbs for the crust, some sweetened condensed milk, butter, a little bit of lemon juice, some sugar, and my trusty spring foam pan. So first thing we want to do is make the crust, because we're going to put that in the fridge or freezer for a little bit while we put together everything else. So, really easy, just over a cup of graham cracker crumbs, and I did about a quarter cup of melted butter. I put it in my bowl here. I'm going to stir it up real well, and then I'm going to press it into that spring foam pan that I've already greased up. And the crust is done. We are halfway to a key lime pie. I just took my mixture and kind of just pressed it in with my hand, got it nice and uniform. And now I'm going to take it and I'm going to throw it in my freezer so that it has time to settle while we do the rest. Let's get started. First thing, you want to grab 4 egg yolks, so just the yolks. I'm putting in a couple of tablespoons of sugar. You don't need to, but I find it balances out better. I'm going to mix this up really well. If you don't know how to separate the yolk from an egg, then what are we even doing here, dude? Stop watching my videos. You don't belong in the kitchen. You're just wasting everyone's time. Mostly mine, really, because I'm making these videos and you don't even know how to separate the yolk from an egg. Now that we have that mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and add my condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to add 2 small cans. I think they're 300 milliliters each. And we add our lime juice. Add about 3/4 of a cup of lime juice. Now, we don't have key limes here in Ontario. If you're lucky enough to be in Florida, then good for you. So what I do is I do about half a cup of lime juice, and I do another 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And that kind of recreates the more tanginess of a key lime that you're used to in a key lime pie. So, little tip from me. So you're really going to want to mix it up really well. It might take a few minutes, but you'll get to a nice thicker consistency. And then, yeah, we can stop there. You did it. You just made everything you need for a key lime pie. So now we're going to go and grab the crust from the freezer, and we're going to pour that mixture right over the crust, and then we're going to get our Instant Pot ready to do its magic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think I'm just going to go right to where the crust is, and I'll save the rest. That was hot. So here's a beautiful little hack I learned from the dark web. Made myself a little tinfoil sling, which makes it super easy to pick up and lower our spring foam pan into the Instant Pot. So make one of your own, make your life easy. And we are ready to go. I'm going to pour a cup of water into the bottom of the Instant Pot. We got our solid little metal trivet that comes with it right there. And we're going to put this bad boy in. Magic sounds. We are closed, sealed. We're going to go to manual. We're going to go up to 15 minutes. And that's it. Magic is about to happen. And we are done. I let it sit for an extra 10 minutes just to depressurize on its own. Ooh, that looks and smells nice. That's when this comes in handy. Pull it right out. Now, I'm sure temptation is setting in, and all you want to do is dig right in. And you can, but with, key lime pies, cheesecakes, you really want to let them cool and settle, which usually means putting them in the fridge for a few hours. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my pie, I'm going to throw it in the fridge for about 2 hours, come back, and then show you the final product. So there you have the Instant Pot key lime pie. really easy, and except for that 2-hour waiting time in the fridge, really quick to put together. And then you have dessert, and you can impress all your friends that you didn't really spend too much time or effort on. And yeah, I threw on some raspberries I had in the fridge. I always keep about half a lime left over just to thinly slice and put on there. It's a nice touch. And then a little whipped cream. That's it. Hope you make it, and I hope it's as easy for you as it was for me. And hopefully you don't have to share it with anybody, because I'm going to go eat this thing by myself. Peace.